Guys, just 1 second before the video starts, I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned. Procyon. See what Procyon can do. Yeah.
The small one on the very bottom. On both sets.
Okay, I'll close that.
There's another one over there by that one.
All right, yeah, I got it. More luck. People ask me, well, why wouldn't you put the tray on so it picks up these little things it picks off? Because if you do that, put the tray on, you're also pulling out the solution. I don't want to pull out the solution. By the time I get to extraction, it's going to be at least 15 minutes before I extract, so the dwell time is going to be plenty. So don't forget, guys, read the label on your products. If it says put dwell time on it, make sure you do that. It's for a reason. So sign asks for 5 to 10 minutes. What a difference. Now over there we got these traffic areas. Well, this is polyester, so the fiber wears. And the customer, he has a leg problem, so he has to drag his leg. So that's going to wear the carpets even more. So I did show it to him, and he understands. And I think he's going to be really happy. All right, we keep going. Oh yeah. So right here the fibers are worn really bad here, but that's all I can do. Alright guys, job well done. Let me pat myself on my back. You know, when you get started in this business and you're running into jobs like that, and you're doing everything you can as far as chemistry, and you're just like frustrated, it's like, how come those areas will not lighten up? Well, if somebody didn't tell you before, you'll figure it out. Especially on polyester. Polyester really wears on your traffic patterns. Really wears, it breaks down the fiber. I talk about it a lot, pretty much every time I run into that issue. You can't do nothing about it. all you can do is maybe do a post spray on it, peroxide based, to help lighten those fibers up. But it just is what it is. So you can clean it, and I did, and I actually on this job, because I have to be sure, right? I'm not just gonna assume. So I break out the big guns when I run into that. I did break out some Sager sauce, because I just was really not. I didn't want to walk away from the job not knowing that I tried something. So I broke out the Sagers, and really wasn't much of a difference at all. So the Procyon did a good job. I'm gonna keep using that on these tough jobs and see if it just, you know, does what I need it to do as a cleaner. Yes, it's green safe. It does a great job. It's a pH 10. But hey, man, I'm not gonna recommend something that I'm not confident at. And right now, I got 3 pre-sprays. Carpet Detail is my go-to. Procyon on little tougher jobs, right? A little bit more soiled than normal. I may break out the Procyon for that. If it's more than that, then you gotta take out the high pH, like 12. Sager sauce is what I'm using right now. I do have other ones that I use too, and I might, because I'm about out of this Sager sauce, and I need to use up this other stuff. So because I have prime time enzyme, Bio 08. I think Bio 08 I'm gonna start using as far as my heavy soiled carpets. But yeah, so not one solution fits all. It's just the way it is. All right, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. See you in the next video.